Hello sports fans, Commander Duke 1 here. And we're going to continue that chase. Got a 1982 Donruss wax pack here. See if we can't pull a Cal Ripken or any other notable player. Nolan Ryan. Any other rookies from this year would be awesome. And we start out, of course, with that puzzle piece for the Babe Ruth puzzle. And we'll get right into it. We have a John Mayberry of the Blue Jays, Bob Watson, Mike Kirko, and we got a real rough cut there. That's unfortunate. Although I have seen people make comments that they like that rough cut on their card. Very nostalgic for them, apparently. Johnny Grubb. We got a Robin Yount, very nice. Ken Daly. Got a Larry Anderson. Got a Britt Burns. Louis Salazar. Got a Tom Seaver, very nice. And Richard Gale. Ernie Witt. Lenny Randall. Dwight Evans. And we finish it off with a Shane Raleigh. A little rough there on the corner and the edge. Please give me a like and a follow. Comment on your favorite card if you had one. Thanks for watching.